Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we're going to unbox the GoPro Hero 10 Black. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the GoPro Hero 10. As you can see, on the front we got the 10 and the GoPro logo. On the top right we got Hyper Smooth 4.0. It's a 23 megapixel camera which can record up to 5.3K at 60 fps or 4K at 120 fps. You can take it underwater up to 33 feet or 10 meter, and it has a GP2 processor. On this side it's going to show you what's in the box, but we're going to go into that later. If you have the GoPro subscription, then you can use their quick app to send photos on the cloud if you have their subscription, otherwise you can't use it. Again, 23 megapixel camera, there is a resolution underwater at 33 feet. You can voice control it, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time warp 3.0. we got 1080p live streaming, so you can live stream using this. We got super photo plus HDR. You can use it as a webcam as well. So if you're interested in that, how you can use your GoPro as a webcam, I have made a video on that. The link will be in the video description, and you can use your media mod as well. And that's all on the box. So on the bottom you got this seal, but I opened it at the shop. Here is the clip. Inside the box, the GoPro is going to come in this pouch, I would say. So you can take this pouch anywhere, so you can have your GoPro in a safe place. It is I would say rigid as well. Inside the pouch we are going to have these different things. First of all, let's see at the documentation. So here again you can download the quick app. You can just scan this QR code or search. It is available both for Android and iOS. If you don't have the battery charger, you can use the type C cable that is included, or you can use any type C cable. Here they are showing how you can close and open the lid, etc, etc. And here I think we got these GoPro stickers as well, which is nice. Have product questions. If you have anything you can read them, but I recommend just watching YouTube videos if you have any problem, because that's the most effective way. We're going to go to the camera later. Here we have a small type C to USB type A cable. For me, I think it's useless because its length is really small. It should be longer because you can't connect to a charger because the wire is very small. Other than that, we got our GoPro battery as well. So I think this was the 1720 mAh battery. Let me just see. Yep, as you can see, it is a 1720 mAh battery. So if you don't know, the GoPro Hero 11 just came out, and it comes with the new Enduro batteries, which are more I would say they give more battery time, and they work better in colder and hotter environments. This is the old battery, so if you have this, you can just buy the new Enduro batteries. The reason why I didn't bought the Hero 11 was that, to be honest, I didn't need it, because the Hero 10 can do most of the things that I want. So that's why I didn't bought the Hero 11. The money that I saved from that, I could invest in any other GoPro accessory. Here you're going to get a mount as well, so you can just stick it onto your helmet, and it's going to go in like this. We need to remove it, and then it's going to go something like this. It's going to log in. You can place it, and here we have a screw as well. So basically your GoPro is going to go onto the top. So these are the things that are going to come in the box. Now for the GoPro itself, here we have it, the GoPro Hero 10. Let's peel it. Satisfying. So here we have our front screen, back screen, almost similar to the GoPro Hero 11, just it does records video in 8-bit color, and it has a smaller sensor, so you cannot go portrait and landscape with the same video. But other than that, that's also. For the first time, you need to open the lid right here. So mine didn't came with an SD card. Some of them come, some of them don't. My box said that it doesn't include an SD card. Before swapping the battery in, I'm using this SanDisk Extreme SD card. It is a 128 GB card. I think you should use a minimum 128 GB, because these things can record up to 5K now, so they're going to take a lot of storage. your SD card is going to go in this spotlight right here, so you just need to insert it. We are going to set it up for the first time. Here you can see the camera has been set it up. You can do different things right here. I'm not going to go into detail. On the top you can start recording if you want to, and you're going to get this little indication light right here and in the front as well if you're vlogging, which is really nice. And you're going to get a preview on the front as well. On the front screen, the front screen ain't touchable, the back screen is. On the left side you got this power button, and on the right side there is nothing. On the bottom you got its feet as well. I don't know what's the right terminology for this, where you can connect it with different GoPro accessories. So I'm going to do a little video test that you're going to see.
So here I am recording with the Hero 10 Black. It is basically a flat color profile and I'm going to color grade it, so that's one advantage. The other thing is that the audio that you're hearing is directly from the Hero 10 Black. No external microphone, but I would suggest that you invest on a microphone like the DJI mic, because you can stick it and it is much better than investing on the media mod. So here you can see the color quality. I'm in wide color, I'm on the wide lens with 4K 60 fps recording, downscale to 1080p. So this is the video quality that you're going to get. Again, in my case, I'm going to be using it in my studio as a second top-down camera, so not much concerned, but having that 10 input like in the Hero 11 would be really nice. But for vlogging, it's a really nice, small and lightweight setup.
So guys, if you like this unboxing video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.